Have you ever stopped to think about how a brick, one of humanity's oldest and most essential building materials, helped shape civilizations and continues to play a fundamental role in modern construction? That seemingly simple block that forms walls, buildings, and even entire cities carries thousands of years of history, fascinating manufacturing techniques, and a wide variety of types designed to meet different needs. It may look basic, but behind a simple piece of clay or concrete lies a remarkable combination of science, engineering, and technological evolution. But first, what exactly is a brick? Basically, a brick is a construction material typically shaped like a rectangular block, traditionally made from molded clay that is fired at high temperatures. Its main purpose is to serve as a structural or partition element in buildings, providing strength, thermal insulation, durability, and stability. Today, however, bricks are not limited to clay. There are also concrete bricks, sand-lime bricks, refractory bricks, and even environmentally friendly versions made with recycled materials. To understand the importance of bricks, we need to travel thousands of years back in time and discover how they were born. The history of bricks begins around 9,000 to 10,000 years ago during the Neolithic period, with the first records of sun-dried mud bricks found in the Fertile Crescent, in what is now the Middle East. These primitive bricks, known as adobe, were made from a mixture of clay, straw, and water, manually shaped and left under the sun until they hardened. Around 3,500 BC, in Mesopotamia, the first kiln-fired bricks appeared. This revolutionary innovation dramatically increased their resistance to water and weather. The Romans later perfected and popularized the use of fired bricks in massive constructions such as aqueducts, baths, and amphitheaters thanks to their incredible durability and versatility. But how did bricks evolve into the products we use today? During the Industrial Revolution, brick production transformed from a handmade craft into a large-scale industrial process. Machines such as hydraulic presses automated molding, while continuous tunnel kilns improved efficiency, consistency, and production capacity. Today, the ceramic industry produces billions of bricks every year using a combination of traditional knowledge, advanced machinery, and automated systems. But how exactly is a brick made? The manufacturing process varies depending on the type of brick, but for traditional ceramic bricks, everything starts with clay extraction. The clay is removed from deposits, crushed, and filtered to eliminate impurities. Next comes the preparation of the mixture, where the clay is combined with approximately 18% to 25% water until a homogeneous paste is formed. In some cases, additives such as sand are added to reduce shrinkage during drying. The next step is shaping. Bricks can be produced through pressing, as in solid bricks, or through extrusion, which is commonly used for hollow bricks. In extrusion, the clay passes through a mold that creates the desired shape and internal holes. After shaping, the green bricks are dried in controlled chambers for 24 to 48 hours, reducing their moisture content to around 3%. Then comes the most important stage, firing. The bricks are heated inside industrial kilns at temperatures between 900 degrees Celsius and 1,200 degrees Celsius. During this process, called sintering, the clay particles bond together and transform into a strong ceramic material. The entire process can take between 40 and 150 hours depending on the type of kiln used. Finally, the bricks are slowly cooled and inspected to ensure they meet quality standards for strength, size, and durability. But what is truly fascinating is that every time you learn how something as simple as a brick is made, you unlock a piece of the engineering knowledge that shapes the world around us. And imagine if, instead of only understanding how structures are built, you could actually design them yourself, creating an entire building structure with columns, beams, and slabs using professional engineering software and watching that project become reality. That is why mastering structural design tools has become an essential skill for engineers and construction professionals. But returning to the topic, what are the most common types of bricks? The traditional ceramic brick is one of the most widely used. It can be solid or hollow, with hollow versions containing internal cavities that reduce weight while improving thermal and acoustic insulation. Another type is the soil cement brick, made from soil, cement, and water. It is compressed manually or mechanically and is popular in sustainable construction because it does not require a firing process. Sand-lime bricks are produced using sand, lime, and water. They are cured inside high-pressure steam chambers called autoclaves, resulting in excellent strength, precision, and a smooth appearance ideal for exposed architectural surfaces. There are also refractory bricks, which contain high levels of aluminum oxide and silica. These materials can withstand temperatures up to 1,800 degrees Celsius, making them essential for furnaces, fireplaces, industrial ovens, and chimneys. Concrete bricks, made from cement, sand, and aggregates, are commonly used in structural masonry, external walls, and paving systems. Finally, ecological bricks incorporate recycled materials such as construction waste, industrial ashes, or recycled plastics, reducing environmental impact. But where should each type be used? Structural applications generally require stronger materials such as concrete bricks or specially designed structural ceramic blocks. Lightweight hollow ceramic bricks are excellent choices for thermal and acoustic insulation. Decorative applications often use exposed ceramic or sand-lime bricks because of their attractive texture and natural appearance. Refractory bricks are essential wherever extreme temperatures are involved, especially in industrial processes. But are bricks still evolving? Absolutely. With the growing demand for sustainability in construction, new generations of bricks are being developed. And what about you? Did you know there were so many different types of bricks and technologies behind them? Do you like exposed brick architecture? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your opinion. See you in the next video.